Hi friends, we all know that to store data in any software or application, we need to create a database. So all data will be stored and retrieved when we need it. In this video, we are going to create a database for our PHP application installation. We are creating a database in a MariaDB with the help of XAMPP. Details of this database are details of this databases. We are going to create a database name PHP list, and we are also creating a user for that database name as PHP list, and password of that user is PHP list. Here database user has the all privileges of PHP database. So friends, let's see how to create a database. To create a database, we have to open XAMPP control. Here on the desktop, we have created XAMPP control shortcut previously. I am going to open that icon and I'm starting XAMPP control. This is the XAMPP control panel. Here we can see the modules and their actions. We have to start each and every module. So I am going to start first Apache. I am clicking action button start, then MySQL start, then FileZilla, and then Mercury. Without starting these modules, we cannot start the web server. Please ensure that all these modules are running on the port, especially Apache is running on 80 port. After starting all these modules, minimize the control panel and start the web browser. In web browser, open localhost by typing localhost on the web browser. It is a localhost dashboard. It's a XAMPP dashboard. It is a XAMPP dashboard. Here we have to create a database. For creating database, we have to click phpMyAdmin option, which is in the right side of the corner. This is phpMyAdmin control box. Here we have to create a database. For creating database, we have to click this database option on the menu bar. Here in this database interface, we have to create database. We have to put a database name here. So I am putting database name PHP list in database name text box. And in front of this, there is a drop down list for Unicode support. So I am selecting UTF-8 Unicode support. I am selecting UTF-8 General CI. Then I am clicking create. At the left panel, you can see there is a newly database was displayed as a PHP list. I am clicking that and I am going to privilege option on the menu bar. Here all the phpMyAdmin users are listed here. We have to create our own user for PHP list applications, that is PHP list. To create a new user, click add user account. Here we have to fill the login information about the user. First, we are going to create filling the username. Here I am putting PHP list. In host name, we have to select local option from the drop down menu, and the localhost option will be automatically come, so don't change that. In password, we have to give the password. We are giving password PHP list. Here we have to retype the password to confirm. Okay. After that, scroll down. Ensure that this grant all privileges on database PHP list is checked, and then click this global privilege check all checkbox. It will be give the privilege to this user of PHP list database. To save the settings and to create user, click go button, which is the right side of the screen. Such a way we can add a new user in phpMyAdmin. You can see here that user is created at PHP list at localhost. This will be create our database and user.